So this is a lens out of a desktop light or something. I ground this to about a 90-degree edge here. I don't really have any direction with this. I'm just gonna flake this and just see what happens. So I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to grip it well enough. But we're gonna try. Turn our fan on. Here we go. Knapping a lens. See what happens. Oh, this is gonna be fun. This is very interesting. I'm just doing this for fun. Just want to see what I end up with. Sometimes it's a good practice to just try something different. Just push the boundaries of what you can do. You don't have to make an arrowhead. You can make really whatever you want within the realm of possibilities. And just keep trying new things, learning new skills. The trouble here is this doesn't really stop until I'm out of glass. This is actually kind of cool. Well, what do we think? Should I flake any on this side or leave it like that? I don't know. Let's see if we can clean it up a little bit. You know, that's actually pretty interesting. What do y'all think? Well, I'm going to leave it like this. You guys leave a comment below if you think I should do anything further with this, or leave it like this, or I don't know. I'm just doing this for fun. Tell me what you guys think. Hey, like and subscribe, and go pick up a rock and have some fun. Or a piece of glass. Pick up whatever, anything that'll flake. Just go have fun. Thanks for watching, guys.